Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den, and in this video we are going to create a simple GIF file or GIF file which will be included of a image which will be changing colors. In this case we are going to change the color of the shirt of this model. So for that we have to use the same trick that we have discussed in the earlier video, which is timeline animation and which contains frame animation. So first of all, I'm going to select the shirt using the quick selection tool. Before that, let me activate the keystroke option so that you can see the keys that I'm pressing. So I'm using the quick selection tool. You can use any tool, any selection tool that you feel comfortable with. So I'm going to select this and I'm simply copying this layer, Control C and Control V, or Command C or Command V if you are using Mac. So we have created a layer only of this particular shirt. Now what we have to do is we simply have to open the timeline first, go to Window and Timeline. So this is our timeline and click on this thing, create frame animation. So it will be converted into a frame animation timeline. Now what we have to do, I'm going to change the color of this particular shirt by using the option Image Adjustments. Now remember, you can do the same thing with the layers panel by using the adjustment layer, but in this particular example we are not going to use the adjustment layer because we don't want extra layers. So we are going to use the image option, the image menu, adjustments and hue saturation. So I'm going to change the color. So I'll choose the first color, green, and I'm going to place this outside the viewing area or outside the printing area. Again, now what I'm going to do is I'm again going to copy this by using the Alt key or the Option key if you are using Mac. Again I'm doing the same thing, adjustment, hue saturation, change the color. Then I'm going to change it to blue this time around. So this is blue rather, and I'm going to place it over here. Remember, on the first frame you need to hide the shirts that you have created, and again I'm going to create another, and you can place it at one place, it doesn't really matter. I'm placing it for my convenience at different places, but you can place it at the same place, it doesn't really matter. Just place it outside the printing area or the viewing area. So now first of all I'm changing the color before placing it outside the area. Image Adjustments, again hue saturation, colorize. So let's say this time around I'm going to change it to lavender purple. Yes, this color. Again I'm going to place it outside. Again I'm going to copy this, Alt or Option and click copy. As you can see I have made 4 copies thus far. Again I'm going to change the color, hue saturation, and maybe orange this time. Yeah, looks pretty good. Again I'm going to place it outside. Again this is the last copy, image adjustment, hue saturation, maybe yellow color this time. Okay, this looks good. So we have created 5 copies of this particular shirt. Now we are going to place it one by one after creating a duplicate frame. Remember, on the first frame we can't see any of the shirts that we have created, only the original photo is visible on the first frame. So I'm going to duplicate this frame by using this option. We have discussed this in the earlier videos. If you haven't seen the earlier video, please check that video and then you can come back and watch this video. So I'm clicking it and I have created a duplicate frame. Remember, this frame and layers are completely different thing. Now I'm going to place, let's say, this one this shirt, and remember to exactly place it at the place of the original shirt so that anything is not visible. This looks pretty good. Now again I'm going to duplicate and I'm going to select this one and I'm placing it right. Yeah, looks good. Again same thing, duplicate, select this one and simply place it over this shirt. Yes, pretty good. Again duplicate, repeat the steps again and again. Yes, duplicate, last one, place it. Yes, now you can create more colors if you want, but for now I am only creating 5 different colors, and the color which was present originally, which was red color, so we have 6 different colors in this particular example. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the delay, which is present, it is no delay, so I'm increasing it to 0.1 seconds to each and every frame so that we can see before it goes away. And I am clicking it over here so that this frame is not visible, and play. Yes, looks pretty good. So we have created a simple GIF file which changes shirt color. So this is very simple. You can use the same method and create maybe different or color changing car maybe, or any other object that you want. So this is a basic example of creating a GIF file. Try it out, give it a go, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comments section. I will try to reply you. So okay, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye and cheers.